That's straight up nuts though, Ski.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's super ballsy.
I'm only like third or fourth.
Okay, Sparky actually got on a little bit. Just a little. And he just downshifted through all the gears. Oh, and he should have did.
What a cool. Sparky fucking rides everything.
I know, dude. He doesn't give a fuck. They make 170 SSRs too. SSR 170s. What do you think, buddy?
Dude's got nards.
I know, dude. I seen you got on a little bit.
Straight up picks up.
Yeah, every gear if you really get on
As
it.
quick as you can hit that throttle, you're like, what? I got squirrely in there. Dude.
Yeah, you get squirrely, dude. First time on a 450. Oh, buddy, that bike is so much fun. Yeah, but I almost.
One rut over there. I got my tire in it and I freaked out. Get on her.
I was like, oh, I don't know if I should really step on this thing. I did a little bit on the road, that's about it. Back there, I only got the third gear, but it's not enough space. Dude, Mark, that 450, nuts. All it is testicles. I almost bumped it, dude. I hit a root and it was just all wheel spin. I just romped it in second and it just kicked out on me. So much fun though, for sure. Winsky's driving it, dude. Yeah, Winsky. You have insurance?
Yep. He's not even on her.
No, he's not really. That's what I was like. Buddy. Sparky's such a short guy. I wish he was just such a big guy.
Little SSR is fun, but way too small for me.
Oh, your legs got to be at the handle. Like your knees
I
have to
almost
be.
dumped it because I couldn't turn it.
Too much balls. Ski's erection right now has gotta be. It's gotta be.
The thing was nuts at the Badlands. You got to go so fast, like it calls the house, and like you come up to like the bottom, like first gear in that bike, and you step on it, and you easily make it up to the top.
Oh!
Come
And you
on.
clunk it.
Oh, I did that.
That's alright.
Come on. Damn, dude. Just flooding the
Let's
fuck.
give any gas or no?
No. We can try the hot start. Not kick it.
Dude, you cannot do it.
Alright, well I'll start for you.
What a pussy. You just put like 10 kicks of fuel right into the cylinder and then you just... He didn't even jump. He didn't even jump, that big coagulated bastard.
I know my bike.
Hold on. I just want to see how he's going to do with this.
He's gonna give her the NARS and he's gonna poop himself, dude.
Even my dad scared the shit of himself on that thing.
I fucking cracked it right on that trail. The fucking dirt.
If he doesn't open up on the road, I'm gonna probably be mad at him. He lost his hat.
He does kind of sputter sometimes.
Here, yeah. Turn that down. Yeah. I'm gonna ask him if he even rides. Does he know how to ride?
Probably scared shitless.
Oh yeah. How was it? that sketch. Damn, dude, clunking it.
Yeah, I don't care. I usually put it in gear.
I don't know how you couldn't. I found neutral right away, perfectly. I found it. You gotta do if it's easier if you're rolling too. I rolled it in and.
Hold the clutch in.
On the SSR.
You think so?
This thing does fucking power. Is
that yeah.
You see, lift the fucking.
What's your first impressions of it? How much of shit is in your pants right now though?
Dude, a little bit over there, dude. I fucking in the back, I'm just squirreling out up the hill, dude.
I know. Seen that low RPM, like it has a hop to it, you know.
I got it pretty squirrely too. I
Dude, fucking.
like,
Oh my god, Hahndo. He done fucking pinned every gear. He just squirrel his back tire just wiggling around.
He did like a 4th gear wheelie, dude. He was hauling on the
That one
flyby.
wasn't that good. 3rd gear wheelies were pretty good.
I tried second. I did second
I had
gear.
one good 3rd wheelie in front of you guys.
Yeah.
That was it.
All I did was try second gear and just popped it up a little bit. I was like, okay, I'm scared now. I'm good. I got the front wheel up like a foot or two. That's about it. This thing's clapped.
Sounds good.
Cleetus Klansman Kessler and drives a 450 like a goof.
Yeah, he drives that thing pretty. He looks fucking scared. You know, he looks like he's shitting his pants.
Sparky just going with
Getting Mark's address for the internet so that everyone knows. Hi, Ski. Ski. What are you doing?